What's up, everybody? Welcome back to another episode of Cook with Molen. If you are new here, I go by the name Molen, and this is Cook with Molen. So if you are a returning subscriber, karibu sana. Thank you so much and feel appreciated. So guys, as you have seen from the title of the video, today I am going to do a simple recipe of noodles or Indomie with smokies. So if you love Indomies or noodles, this video is definitely for you. So stay tuned na usibanduke. So let's get started. So I have my smokies here. So I'm going to use smokies, not sausages. These are not sausages, these are smokies. I have noodles. This is instant noodles, chicken flavor. I have 2 of them. I have here, I've mixed everything. I have grated tomatoes, grated carrots, and some chopped courgettes or zucchini. Then this is tomato paste, chopped onions, chopped coriander or dhania. I have salt. This is mixed herbs, 1 Royco cube, and black pepper. I'm going to shallow fry them. So this is my pan. I'll put a little bit of oil on it. I'm just going to shallow fry them. So make sure you keep on turning them to avoid burning on one side. So they are ready. My smokies are ready. I'm just going to turn off the heat and remove them. So next I'm going to cut them into small pieces. So in my clean cooking pot, I'm going to add cooking oil. I've already added cooking oil. Then I'm going to add the chopped onions. I'll just let it cook and then we'll go on to the next step. So I've already chopped the smokies. This is how they are after chopping them. So my onions are ready. I'm going to add the chopped smokies. Like that. I'll just let them to cook. So guys, it's not a must you use smokies. Sausage can do better, but I've used what I had in the house. I had only smokies. I didn't have the sausages, so I used the smokies. But sausages can do better than this. I preferred sausages, but I didn't have them for now. That's why I decided to use the smokies. So I'll add some salt. So next I'm going to add the tomatoes, grated carrots, and the courgettes. I'll go ahead and add the Royco cube. Mixed herb. I'll just cover it and let the tomatoes to cook. So next I'm going to add the Bumbu sauce. This is the one that normally comes with the Indomie, inside the noodles. So this is Bumbu sauce and the chili. Then chili. So since I'm going to use 2 packets of noodles, so I'm going to use both of the Bumbu sauce. So remember it has salt in it, so when you are cooking, don't add too much salt, because the Bumbu sauce already has salt. And I'm going to serve it. So instead of using the black pepper, I've used the chili from the noodles. So I'm not going to use the black pepper. It will be more spicy. So this is where I'm going to add the tomato paste. I'm going to let it simmer 1 minute. So here I'm going to add some water, like that, just kidogo water. So remember, I haven't boiled the Indomie, the noodles first. I've decided to cook direct, but you can always boil your noodles first. Then I'm going to put in my noodles. So I'm going to cover it and let it cook for 3 minutes. So I'm going to turn it like that. I just want everything to mix well, to combine well. Can you see? Let's give it some 2 minutes. So guys, my Indomie is ready. My noodles are ready. So the last thing I'm going to add the coriander. Wow, it smells so yummy. Seriously, smells so yummy. Look at that. Can you see it really well? It's really yummy. Looking so yummy, and the aroma, jeez. Just turn off the heat and then I'm going to plate it. Guys, just look at that. Wow, looks so yummy. Look at that. So I'll just go ahead and have a bite. Oh, it's really hot. Guys, so yummy. What? This is so yummy. What? Just perfect. Oh, this is so yummy, guys. You should try this recipe. This is really a quick fix. You can do this. Can do for breakfast, lunch. Oh, this is so yummy. What? Even this, you can even make for your kids this. This is really good for the kids also. This recipe is really good for the kids. Oh guys, let me just end this video here so that I can enjoy my noodles in peace. So guys, thank you so much for watching this video. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, please do subscribe to my channel and help me reach 200 2K subscribers. I'm currently at road to 2K subscribers. So guys, also don't forget to watch my other videos, like and leave a comment. So guys, without other ado, allow me to end this video here. See you again in another next video. Bye bye, and don't forget to subscribe. Bye. Love you all.